Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing amazingly well. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Aditi and today I'm going to share with you guys an Amazon haul, and it is going to be an Amazon beauty haul. It's a mini haul, but yeah, I really wanted to share with you guys what all things I got. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So first let's start with skincare because I have 3 of them. So the first thing I got is this Minimalist Retinol 0.3%, and at this point I think I have finally made my mind to include retinol and other anti-aging ingredients in my skincare routine because I'm such a lazy bum with my skincare, so I really wanted to get something. So by the way, this comes in this black case, and once you open it, this is how the serum looks like. I'm glad that they have changed their packaging and it's all black now, which is really good because it has less chances of oxidation. So yes, quite like it. I have also already started using it. I have seen a bit of purging on my skin, but that's completely okay. With new skincare products and especially actives, you are bound to see some purging. So I'm quite excited to see what magic does retinol do to my skin. And yeah, by the way, this is a 30 ml bottle which you get for rupees 599. Of course, you can grab it on discount on Amazon. And also I think Amazon is having a sale right now, which you can definitely check out, and I think they'll have another one by the end of this July. So yeah, keep an eye if you want to stock or restock any of your favorite from your wish list. So now moving on, I got this 3 equal ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer which looks like this. I have already bought this in past. This is my repurchase product. I love this moisturizer. It is so good, and again I use it at night. It has ceramide and hyaluronic acid, which is great for your skin. It just helps you get rid of any dryness and just refines your skin, smoothens it and fights premature aging. And this one is a very affordable moisturizer and lasts you for such a long time. This one retails for rupees 350 and you get 100 gram of product, which is quite huge. I think the previous moisturizer that I bought lasted me for 6 months straight, which is huge. I just use it once, which is at night time because I have oily skin, and this one, because of the ingredients, make my skin oily in the daytime, so I prefer using it in the night time. But yeah, I would highly recommend you guys to check out this moisturizer. It's beautiful. Next, I got the Kadhi Herbals lip balm in the variant wine grapefruit. Again, if you have been following me for a while, then you guys might know that I love this lip balm. It's my absolute favorite. I got this in a pack of 2. Again, this lip balm is very moisturizing and also plumping. I absolutely love this lip balm. It makes my lips so soft and supple. Definitely recommend you guys if you do not have a very sensitive lips which cannot tolerate anything tingly, then I would not recommend it. But apart from that, if you want that soft plump effect, then go for it. Just go for it. It's amazing. This one retails for rupees 99 and you get 5 gram of products. I have been using these lip balms since I think 3 years straight now, and I cannot stop repurchasing them. Check out, you guys. Then I got some lipsticks, and these lipsticks are the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. I got 3 in the minis and 1 in the full size. So I'll just quickly show what shades I got and also swatch them for you guys. So the first in the mini range, I got the shade Nude Umbrella, and the second shade I got is called Brown Souvenir, and the third one is Purple Tourist. These retail for rupees 400 and you get 2.4 ml of product. Also, I got these Lakme lipsticks at up to 50% off, which was great deal because a lot of times we buy full size lipsticks and then we are not able to finish it. You can still finish it by the time it expires because the quantity is not too huge. And this is how the packaging looks like. It is so cute, you guys. I have applied one shade today, which is Purple Tourist, on my lips, and I totally love it. By the way, I have used these lipsticks in the past and I would say that these lipsticks are not very pigmented, like they are not opaque. You have to build it over 2-3 times to get to its maximum opacity, but that's also a good thing because if you apply just one layer, it looks like a lip tint which just looks gorgeous. And also you can use them as a blush. I love using them as a blush. So yes, I'll just quickly swatch these for you guys. So this is the shade Nude Umbrella, which is a beautiful light mauvey pink. I mean, just look at the color. It looks beautiful. It would be a perfect nude for medium skin tones. Then I'm going to swatch this Brown Souvenir, and this is how it looks. It's a beautiful brown with red undertones. Looks really beautiful. So I mean, I'm quite excited to try this one. And then we have Purple Tourist, which I also have on my lips, and this is how it looks. These are ultra comfortable lipsticks, last for a decent amount of time, and also they are transfer proof. And then I got a full size version of this which retails for rupees 800 and you get 6 ml of product. And I got it in the shade Peach Rose. Now I really wanted to get a peach color for myself from such a long time, so I thought I'll just try this one, but I think this will wash me out. I haven't yet tried it, but yeah, this is the shade right here. It's a beautiful shade. I really wish that it suits me, but I have a gut feeling that this might wash me out. But still, I mean, I'm so in love with the color, so I might just mix it with other colors to make it lighter or, you know, ombre-ish. So yes, these are the shades that I got from Lakme Matte Melt collection. And finally, the last product that I got from Amazon for this haul is the one that I'm very excited about, like most excited about, and this is the Calailis magnetic eyelashes, which looks like this, and it comes in this eyelash and eyeliner kit. So we have these eyelashes, the magnetic eyelash glue, and also a tweezer to put on your lashes, which is great. This retails for rupees 969, but I think I got it for around 700 rupees. They claim to be waterproof as well, and they are definitely reusable. The style of these eyelashes are amazing. They look very natural and lightweight. I will leave the link for all of the products that I have shown you in this haul in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. So yes, those are all of the beauty products that I got from Amazon. I hope you enjoyed watching this haul, and if you did, then make sure you give this video a like. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be mentioned again in my description, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.